Hi guys, so this video is going to be like 3 in 1. So we're going to show you how to contact the X support team. So the one for the general account, and we're also going to show you how to contact the X advertising support. And finally, we're going to show you how to appeal. For those of you that complain that you had a halt issue where you launched a campaign and maybe delivered for a few seconds or few minutes or few days, and suddenly you just saw halted. Your X account has been halted from advertising. So we're going to show you a link where you could appeal to the internal ad support team in this particular video. So one interesting thing about the official support route is actually an X account, or it's an X account where all the complaints are initiated on DMs. After interacting with the bot, try to request that it transfers you to a live agent in order to escalate your issue. That is, if the bot couldn't resolve your problem or provide relevant information. So we're going to cover all of this in this particular video. So let's jump right straight in. So we launched the X app. So let's start with the one to contact the general support. So you click on search, just like you want to add or search for someone. Then you search for support. Okay, so this is X support. You can see official X support account, find answers to common questions, and get help on our help center. So you click on message. You can as well follow first before messaging, or you ignore. So you could ask any question. How do I change my password? How do I change my password? How do I change my password? Then you wait for a response. So we're gonna leave this for now. So you could chat this. Okay, so now for the advertising support, but they should reply. I'm going to switch to another account where we've chatted and they've responded. Okay, so next one, we are going to talk to ad support. All right, so if you're an advertiser, after launching your app, you click on the search bar at the bottom left, then you use the search tool and search for ads support. So this is it, ads support. Okay, so you can message. Okay, so you can say, how do I subscribe to X Premium? So this is how to chat with. This is for advertising support, don't forget. So you can see this one responds faster. Usually across all platforms, they always prioritize advertisers because that is a major source of revenue in most of these platforms. So you can see they are giving you reference. It looks like your issue is fixed. If you need help, okay, that is just the link. So talk to me in X anytime about anything. So you could also use this link, it's recommended. So this is the answer to my question. Okay, so it recommended Grok actually. So I can ask all of that here. Very smart. So let me go back to chat. Then if you want to chat with a live agent, you simply request, but we're not going to do that now. I'm just going to switch to the other account where I told you that we've actually spoken with them on both the general support and ad support. And we are also going to cover how to appeal for your halted ads. All right. So let me show you how to switch. So you click on the top left corner. The account is already logged in. So I'm going to click on the one I want to switch into. So we're going to switch into Bright. is Bright Official. Okay, so go to messages, click on your inbox at the bottom right. You're going to see all your chats here. Okay, so let's start with the ads. Okay, let's start with the general support. I'm going to scroll down. So you can see this. So this is when we contacted them. So the general support do provide responses. So this is just your confirmation. Now we're going to go to the advertising support. Okay, so this is the advertising support. Okay, so you can see me chatting with the AI, the robot. You're going to find this icon that shows that it's a robot you're chatting with. So then I told it, can I speak with a live agent? So as at now, I'm speaking with a live agent. All right, now I'm going to show you the link on that you're going to use to appeal to their internal support, which should help you resolve the halted issue. All right, so this is it. So I'm going to copy this link and provide it in the description section of this video. All right. Okay, so let's paste this here. All right, so you fill out this form, then you submit. It's going to go straight to the internal team. All right, so if you have any halt issue, you explain your problem, be as detailed as possible, and then provide as much information as required. Okay, so that's all. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exclusive content like this. See you in the next one, and bye for now. Cheers.